The very first step that I do is print a face canvas on an A4 size paper and laminate it so it won't get dirty and I can still use it for next time. Then you lay the transparent silicone skin on the face canvas. I bought this silicone skin on AliExpress. You can also buy it on Amazon or Fee Academy. I will tape it both sides so it won't move. Next step, eyebrow mapping. I always mark the very center of the face to start the mapping. To check your work, there is an amazing app on Android and iPhone. You can download the app. It's an application where you can check your work, the symmetry, the balance of the eyebrows. I always use a two-side or a two-way ruler or a sticky ruler every time I map the eyebrows so I can easily copy the markings on each side. And of course, I use a golden ratio caliper. To know where your eyebrow should start, get 1/3 from inner corner of the eye to the center of the nose, and then there you will begin the head of the eyebrow. And then just follow the basic eyebrow mapping using a golden ratio caliper. I have a separate video tutorial on how to use the golden ratio caliper. I will put the link on the description. Once you've done with the markings, you can now draw the eyebrows. This transparent skin it has a quite rubbery texture, so it's a little bit hard to draw using a normal pencil. I can only or you can also use an eyebrow pencil so you have more saturation on your eyebrow shape. But for me, pencil is enough. I can still see it. So go on and put your blade on your microblading holder. I'm using an 18U blade. And you can use the practice ink on the blade wrapper. So go on and start with your microblading pattern and let it take you to the process. When I'm in front of the face of the model, I always start with her left eyebrow. And when I will do her right eyebrow, I will go to her back and then I will work from above of her head. And when I'm approaching the tail part, I will slowly go on her side. Then you do the masking, Just rub the pigment on the strokes and let it sit in. Then wipe it off. Voila, you have a beautiful pairs of eyebrow. But I always like to do shading so I have more full effect of 3D. I will use my Beller machine with Vertex Nano needle. This is 0.25 and my critical atom power supply. So now I'm doing the shading. It's just subtle. I'm doing a whipping motion just to give an illusion and volume effect on the eyebrow.